Hey, did you hear that Nintendo 3DS and Wii U Online Services are shutting down today?
Yes, I did. It's sad to see them go.
Do you know why they're shutting down?
Yes, it's because Nintendo is focusing on their newer consoles and services.
That makes sense. What about the impact on users?
Users won't be able to access online features like multiplayer and leaderboards anymore.
That's a shame. How many users are affected by this?
There are millions of users who will be impacted by the shutdown.
Wow, that's a lot. Is there anything they can do?
Unfortunately, there's nothing they can do. Nintendo has made the decision to shut down the services.
I see. Thanks for the information.
No problem. It's always sad to see services go, but it's a part of the industry.